Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting live? Use a high-quality data cable and plug into a rear PC USB port so power and data are stable. On your phone, open Settings, enable Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging. This lets the computer access files reliably. Once you connect, swipe down the phone notification shade and choose File Transfer or MTP mode. That tells the OS to mount storage. If a prompt asks to allow this computer, tap Allow so the connection is authorized and visible to File Explorer. If the phone still doesn't appear, open Device Manager and inspect for MTP, Android ADB, or unknown device entries. Those indicate driver problems. Right-click and update drivers, or install the phone maker's OEM USB driver so Windows recognizes MTP correctly. Once drivers are updated, restart the Windows Explorer process and ensure the Windows Media Player/Portable Devices service is running, because MTP depends on those. Make sure to reconnect the phone after each change so the system re-enumerates the device. For stubborn cases, swap the cable and try another PC port or user account, sometimes permissions or a faulty lead block enumeration. On the phone, reset network or USB settings, or clear File Manager and MTP cache to remove corrupted states. If nothing works, reboot both devices and reconnect. Often a fresh start forces a proper handshake. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a second phone or PC to isolate whether the issue is the phone, cable, or computer. This quickly tells you where to focus repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.